Today we're going to build the EUC Carrier. You're going to start with taking the receiver piece and putting the hitch pin hole towards you. You're going to grab your plates of the carrier, making sure that the logo is faced the right direction. Take your second plate where the wheel sits and lean that against the receiver piece. I like to start by putting the first bolt at the top so it holds the rest of the carrier and makes it easy to build. So we're going to take our first hex bolt and put a flat washer onto it. Every bolt you use to build this, you will be using a flat washer. So I'm going to put that through this top hole. Take a small spacer, slide that through. Then through the second plate, I'm going to grab the medium spacer, slide that through. Then you'll take your second wheel plate, put that through the bolt. Another spacer. And finally, your last plate with the logo facing the correct way. Once you have that, you're going to take your locking nut and hand tighten it. Once you have this step done, it makes building the entire carrier much easier. So we're going to line up this receiver piece to the two holes towards you at the back of the carrier with the receiver using the same bolt, a flat washer. Put it in through this plate, take our spacer, slide that through the receiver. Once that's through, we're going to take another small spacer, place that here, through the last plate, and hand tighten your nut. Now we're going to move on to this second hole of the carrier. We're going to take the same hex bolt and a flat washer, spacer, the bigger spacer, another small spacer, through all the plates, and hand tighten the nut. For the front hole of the carrier, you're going to take the biggest hex bolt, put a washer on it, the connecting piece that the hooks connect onto, a bigger spacer, the same size that you used for these spacers. Slide that through the first hole, small spacer, bigger spacer, small spacer, and all the way through the carrier. We're going to take the bigger spacer, slide that on here, put the last connecting piece onto the bolt, and take your nut and hand tighten it on. Now for the last bolt, this is where you're going to connect your included ratchet straps. You're going to open the ratchet and you'll see a hole right here that the bolt is going to slide through and hold the ratchet strap onto the carrier. We're going to take the same hex bolt that we used on the other parts of the carrier, put the flat washer on, slide that through your first ratchet strap, place that through the first hole. You're going to take a small spacer, just like you did on the other holes, and that's going to slide through the carrier, through the receiver piece until you're on this side. You're going to take another small spacer, slide it all the way through the carrier. Then you're going to take your last ratchet strap and place the bolt through that hole. Take your nut and hand tighten it on. Once you have the carrier built with the nuts hand tightened on, you'll take either a drill or a wrench to tighten them all the way to the carrier. For the last bolt that holds on the straps, we recommend positioning them straight up to leave space in case you want to add additional EUC carriers to carry more of them. If you're only using one EUC, you can angle them to whichever way you desire. Once you have your carrier fully built, you'll take it and move it off to the side. Now we're going to build the EUC ramp that connects to the carrier. You're going to take your 3 remaining spacers, your nuts, flat washers, and hex bolts to build it. The 2 pieces with the hooks are going to use the 2 smaller spacers. So as we did with the carrier, we're going to take our hex bolt and put on the flat washer. And I'll start with the hole nearest the hook. Place that through. Put the spacer. And then the last plate. And hand tighten the nut. Now we'll take these plates and place them on the outside of these plates with the hooks. Take your hex bolt, put on the flat washer, place it through, and put on the spacer. And now with the last spacer, it'll be the biggest one. You're going to take your hex bolt, put the flat washer on it, slide that through this bottom hole, spacer in it, put the nut on. This is how the ramp folds. These slots right here will slot into the other part of the ramp, and that's how you know you've successfully built it. So now we're going to tighten the remaining bolts. And for this middle one, you're not going to want to crank it down too much because this is the part that spins. Should be able to freely open and close like this. We're going to take the ramp with it folded, take the carrier and slot it like so. You'll want the hooks on the ramp on the outside of the inner plates right here. And finally, you'll take your pin and slide it through the hole, which goes all the way through the receiver. Once you have the pin all the way through the hole, you will have a fully built EUC carrier ready to take on your next adventure. And the best part about the EUC carrier is it's fully modular. It was one of the main reasons why we wanted to design something like this, is so we can carry multiple EUCs. Once you have one, you're able to add other EUC carriers onto it with the connecting bar, and it uses the same hex bolts that slide through the bar, through the carrier, and bolts on to give you one solid carrier. Drop a comment below if you have any questions on the EUC carrier. We're excited to see what you guys do with it, where it takes you, and the adventures you go on.